Partnering with business houses is we will engage business houses in where their facilities lie, where their expertise lie. So we will engage them in engineering, consultancy businesses to write up proper projects for and also in big-term commercial trading, so that they can engage and partner with the local people, and we can see how to provide avenues for our especially local traders to venture into wholesale systems, wholesale business systems, wholesaling of goods, because this wholesaling is controlled by foreigners. So now I've realized that, and I've written up a policy so that now we can see not only the retail tucker box, now they will venture into running big shops and also into the operating of wholesale, and we will give assistance to this type of those who may have interest in this type of ventures. Incentives for law enforcing agencies. We have police there, and also there will be incentives put out by the commission under my leadership to see that their houses improved, the housing is improved, and also incentives on the current salary that they earn, in which may not cater for the which may not cater to help the family throughout to the fortnight. So we may provide incentives for them, and then talk to the police hierarchy, to the police department, to transfer some of those functions to us, so that we can outsource contractors or engage qualified and skilled people to, like carpenters and welders, to go in and help build the houses and provide maintenance to the dwelling places today. We want to promote tourism in the city, because I hardly see any tourist activities. So all our villages, Motu Koitapu villages, been engaged. Now, Motu Koitapu villages, the local people, they love their singing and dancing, and they love to care for people. So I'd like to see tourism promoted mainly in the areas, and we can also encourage tourism promoted in settlements to change the lives and mindset of the way they think and do things, so get them involved in doing these things. Have a look at the business revenue collection as well. We have our, I think, companies there under the city, NCD City, National Capital District Commission. There are money-making companies there, but we also want, we may negotiate for some of the funding to be diverted to NCDC through MVIL and also from Water Board, because the MVIL operates most of its traffic on most of the cars on the city roads on the land of Port Moresby. So we may as well ask for some of the money from there to come across to NCD to help NCD function on the side of managing the traffic control and all this in the city. While on this city infrastructure to connect the roads, we maybe down the line we want to look at mega infrastructure, more of the highways. Want to see more of them connecting Gerehu to Boroko through Waigani and 9 Mile. So maybe one of those big infrastructure developments will see improvement in the flow of traffic during peak times. Just later in the stages as we go along, also not ruling out the monorail system like we see down in Sydney or Melbourne, to move the mass traffic around the city. Upgrading of the current public system. We are also talking to engineers to look at the civil engineers to look at the way the current buses are being conducted and how they travel on the road. We can see plenty of chaos on the road. We want chaos on the road. We want to create bus lanes for them, proper bus lanes for them, so they have their own lane to control, and also special buses for women and children and schools for them that they may be living out in the outskirts of the city or in the villages. We want to see special buses for them to move them safely around the place, and then so just to avoid running into law and order problems while traveling. And also on law and order, we want to enforce the NCD police force unit that's currently going on. We want to enforce it, do it properly, train the officers properly to get engaged, to get involved and help the people to move around freely and improve their lives. And also finally, we have the motu koitabu policies as well. My policy details will be coming out on Friday, the 1st of July, post-courier. So I look forward to work with you if I am elected as the governor again of NCD. Thank you. I just want to also point out that I'm a businessman, business belum me. I'm run good. Papa God to me look him handle the business belum. Na me go come good, na kai good, sit down good. That's all. That's why like me talking on something. Me worry long you.